Hello guys, welcome to Information 2 Software. I'm Hao-Wen, and today I'm glad to guide you through creating the local disk pool, deploying it to i2UP platform, and creating the storage unit based on that local disk pool. In this lesson, I prepared the Linux environment with a DR node installation. In your server, you also should install the DR node and create the username and the password for this DR node within the comment like this: user dir bksoft dir node bin and dir safety. Auth, then create your username or your password. Of course, you should customize your own username and password and memorize it. And then don't forget, just assign the empty disk to this server. And in this case, I already assigned the SDB. It's totally empty, and we can use it to create the local disk pool. And then you can access your i2UP platform, click resource, dir backup resource, and node. In this case, I already registered my backup server to the i2UP platform. And don't forget to assign the necessary role backup server to it. Then let's configure the backup server setup. Click etcd access setting and select the etcd node we created earlier, then confirm it. Alright, we can check the status until it becomes online. Then let's go back to our backup server. Well, in this environment, we need to create the local disk pool. We can start from initializing the SDB as a physical volume using the pv create, the path of the SDB. You can also check the status of the physical volume with pv display. Yeah, as you can see, the dev SDB is a new physical volume of 5 GB. Well, then let's go ahead. To create the volume group. You can name it. As any name you want, but in this case, I just name it as info2soft. Also the path of SDB. Alright, process to create the logical volume, name the demo within the info2soft volume group. And in this case, we also need to allocate all available free space in this group. Alright, let's check the status of it. Okay, next, format the logic volume with ext4 file system to make it usable for storing data. With a comment mkfs.ext4, and the path of the demo volume we created earlier. Alright, we need to wait a moment until the process be finished. Alright, after several minutes, the format process is finished. Then let's go ahead to create the directory as a mount point. And I put it to the data path and name it as a storage. Alright, and mount the logic volume to this directory. Oh, it should be in for2 software. Alright. Okay, now all the operation on the Linux environment is already finished. Let's go back to the i2UP platform, navigate to storage management, the storage pool, disk pool, and click the new to create the new one. We name it as 75 local disk pool. The backup server. Well, the backup server should be the DR node we registered earlier. And the storage path, let's choose the mount point. It should be data storage. Okay, then check the configuration here and confirm it. Alright, next we can go to the storage unit and also create a new one. Name it as 75 storage unit. And we can leave the unit type as disk pool local disk. It's correct, and the server is also DR node's backup server. Address the disk pool. Yeah, it's a disk pool we created just now. Then we can leave the rest of setting as a default and confirm it. Well, until the state has become normal, the whole process of the local disk pool and the storage unit creation is already finished. Great job! We have completed all the operation of this lesson. And I hope you found this lesson valuable. Have a nice day and see you next time.